What does it mean to hard code something in programming? A lot of times you hear the word is hard coded. Don't hard code it. So what does it actually mean to hard code? It's pretty straightforward. It just means the value of a variable or the value of some data is actually in the code. It does not change. You coded it hardly. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's hard coded. So I'll show you an example. So here I have just a script that I used for a different video. It's just a test of an API. So when we make an API call, we got an email and we got a password that we have to send. So this is data that we need. So when we look at the password, it is hard coded. That means the password has a set value. The only time this password ever change is if you actually come here and make a code change in the code itself. But when we look at the email is not hard coded because every time this code runs, it's going to be a brand new email. The email is auto generated or randomly generated at the time the code is running. So the email is not hard coded because every time it runs, it's going to be a different one. But the password is hard coded. That means every time the script runs, it is exact same value. The only time it will change is if you actually come and change it. So when you have a piece of code, however big your program is, if you have a variable and the value of that variable is set in the code, the only time you change it is to actually go and manually change it, then that's hard coded. Otherwise, if it's randomly generated or if the data comes from somewhere, then it's not hard-coded. So that's what it means when you hear the word hard-coded. If you like content like this, all I do is create content about QA automation, software testing, and coding in general. Make sure you give me a follow to learn more.